President of All India Panchayat Parishad, Honorable Minister H.K. Patil Sahab, our working President Dr. Ashok Chauhan ji, our BC Sahab, who has done a well-done job to create this historic movement in the era of Panchayati Raj. We warm welcome and heartful greetings to all of you at this historic 18th National Conference of the All India Panchayat Parishad. There is a great enthusiasm among all those associated with Panchayati Raj regarding this conference. Such conferences have been led by pioneer leader of India, our father of the nation. In 1909, wrote Gram Swaraj, how make India self-reliant. In that English rule, he proposed their philosophy around villages. अगर भारत को मजबूत करना है, if we want to strengthen India, at first we have to make strengthen our villages. सबसे पहले हमें अपने गांवों को मजबूत करना पड़ेगा अगर हम भारत को मजबूत देखना चाहते हैं। इसी सिद्धांत को लेकर फॉर दिस फिलॉसफी आवर फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू started the community development program across the nation. This program had been started mainly by United Nations, but the background was foreigner. That's why this program was unsuccessful. Then he ordered his cabinet to do mid-term survey. As a result of that survey, in 1957, Mehta Samiti was created. That was the historic moment in the history of Panchayati Raj. The result of that things, All India Panchayat Parishad was created in 1958. This is our legacy, this is our heritage. After 30 years, we are here to discuss. There are a lot of things needed to make strengthen India by Panchayati Raj. I have come with many suggestions, 12-point agenda. I will focus on mid-term survey. Why it is needed? If we will know what is the circumstances and ground, then we can make a better plan. That's why we have to go for survey. Important mid-term survey. Under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment of the 1990s, departments were designed for all local bodies in the 11th and 12th schedule. Under the same provision, 29 subjects were assigned to the 11th schedule. Panchayats still lack money of these powers. The will of state governments has an impact on such powers. No survey has been conducted on this subject to access the Indian Panchayat system. Consider our mid-term survey essential for the future empowerment of Panchayati Raj. Therefore, the All India Panchayat Parishad taking cognizance of these demands of survey in all states of the country. मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करते हुए आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि ये संघर्ष बहुत पुराना है और संघर्षों के बुनियाद पर हमारी पंचायत खड़ी हुई है। तो आगे के संघर्ष के लिए हमें तैयार रहना होगा। अब हम अपनी जिम्मेदारी से पंचायती राज को आत्मनिर्भर बनाएंगे। हम सब मिलकर पंचायतों को आत्मनिर्भर जरूर बनाएंगे। यही जज्बा रहा तो मुश्किलों का भी हल निकलेगा। जमीन बंजर हुई तो क्या, जमीन बंजर हुई तो क्या, वहीं से जल निकलेगा। ना हो मायूस ना घबरा अंधेरों से मेरे साथी, इन्हीं रातों के दामन से सुनहरा कल भी निकलेगा, सुनहरा कल भी निकलेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बहुत बहुत थैंक साथी। अब हम लोग लंच ब्रेक करते हैं।